I think if you are running a high volume ad account, this little feature here can help you save a lot of money, but also will help you bring a lot more conversions and the desired cost. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to scale Facebook ads like never before. I'm gonna give you an extremely simple yet effective Facebook ads scaling guide. If you cannot scale your Facebook ads using this video, probably you should quit your Facebook ads and get a job at McDonald's, because I'm gonna give you also practical examples. I'm gonna open my Facebook Ads Manager and I'm gonna show you how I'll be scaling the ad sets and the campaign if I was managing the ad account. Now let's get started and let me share my screen. Okay, in my channel I usually start with the fundamentals. Before scaling any Facebook ads, you need to know what's working, and I'm gonna give you a very practical example. So this is a campaign that I was running in the past. As you can see, it spent around 2K. I was running 11 ad sets, and out of the 11 ad sets, there were a few ad sets that work extremely well. So if you want to follow my example, the thing that you need to do would be to scale the ad sets or the campaigns that are working. And how do you scale those campaigns? There are actually only two methods to scale. The first thing is what people call vertical scaling. You scale vertically. Vertical scaling involves increasing the budget of your current ad campaign while maintaining their efficiency. This strategy is particularly useful when you've identified winning ads, winning campaign, and you want this campaign to reach more people. So what's happening when you scale vertically? You give more money to Facebook ads and you tell Facebook ads, this is working for me, find more people so I can make more sales, so I can generate more leads. If you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying. And what you can do here, you can do actually, you cannot do crazy a lot of things. You can do two main things. The first thing that you can do to increase the budget would be to increase the budget 20 to 30% every few days. And you also need to maintain how the budget increase affects the cost per purchase, the cost per result, the cost per lead. Okay, now let me show you how to practically apply this vertical scaling on your Facebook ad account, because it's extremely simple. I'm gonna open the Facebook Ads Business Manager, and as you can see, this is the best ad set I have. So to scale this ad set, what I need to do, I need to select the ad set. From this little menu, I'm gonna select budget. And here where it said set daily budget to, I'm gonna say increase daily budget by 20%. And this is how you increase the daily budget. And this is the method number one. Usually when you use this method, sometimes the cost per conversion breaks. So another thing that I like to do would be to duplicate the ad set with a higher budget. So right now I'm spending 100 daily, let's say. And the way I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna click on duplicate. I'm gonna select duplicate with current settings, and while duplicating the ad set, I'll do it, but I'm also gonna change the budget. I'm gonna scale the budget. Here the budget was 100, so here I can actually increase the budget by more than 20-30%. So if I wanna scale very aggressively, I can say that I wanna spend 500 on ads, or maybe 1,000 on ads, and here you can go very aggressive, and you can scale through increasing the budget or duplicating the same asset and adding the budget that you want to add. And this is extremely simple, and this is how you scale vertically, right? And here I'm gonna click discard because this is just a video tutorial. The second method you have to scale the budget, also another thing that I want to ask, sometimes when you scale the budget, for example, when you duplicate, the cost per conversion starts breaking. It starts breaking for no reason, maybe because the budget is way too high. So what I like doing when duplicating an ad set, using a budget of like 1,000 or more. I've managed Facebook ads for the last 10 years, and I discovered that a single small tweak can lead to a major growth. That's why I'm offering to work with you one-on-one I'm gonna audit your Facebook ads account and I'm gonna identify the one thing that you need to change so you can really scale. To book your audit for just $97, click the link in the description below. You work directly with me one-on-one, and if you're not completely satisfied with our time together, I'm gonna give you a full refund. So for example, here, if I set the budget to, let's say, 500 or more, or 1000 or more, I'm gonna scroll up, and where it says bid control, I'm gonna set a bid cap or cost per result goal, one of those. Here, if I select cost per result goal, Meta will aim to get the most purchases and try to keep the average cost around 111. If I switch to bid cap, Meta will get the most purchases without bidding more than 111 in any action. So here, I'm getting good results with both. For this tutorial, I'm just gonna keep it at bid cap. That way, Facebook won't spend my budget like crazy. And this is something that you need to test. I think if you are running a high volume ad account, this little feature here can help you save a lot of money, but also will help you bring a lot more conversions and the desired cost. The second thing you could do to scale your ad account is horizontal scaling. Horizontal scaling focuses on broadening your reach by targeting new audiences or exploring new ad placements. This method helps you mitigate risk associated with audience fatigue and overexposure in your existing campaigns. So basically, what do you need to do when you want to scale horizontally? To scale horizontally, here, for example, I need to add new audiences, right? In my case here, I already have a winning ad, I have a winning targeting, and for example, if I click on edit, this ad set has been working in Europe, North America, New Zealand, Australia. So I'm targeting all those continents. So for me to expand the targeting, I can duplicate it and find another interests that work. Right here, let's say this is the one that's working. So I'm gonna click on edit, I'm gonna click duplicate, I'm gonna select duplicate current settings. And the one thing that I'm gonna do here, instead of like targeting just the United States, I might expand to Canada and I might duplicate it. Instead of targeting lead generation, I might click on suggestion and target an interest similar to advertising campaign, let's say. And here I'm gonna click publish, and that way I'll find more audience variations, right? And it's extremely simple. You can do it two ways. You can start using this, you can start targeting new countries, new locations. For example, if you have a product that's working in Canada, this product might work in the USA. If you have a product that's working in, let's say, New York, that product might work in New Jersey. So you get the idea. The next thing that you could do, you can keep location the same, but you can target based on lifestyle, values, personality. For example, here you can use the interest. You can change, let's say, the gender. You can choose between male, female. You can play with the age of your audience. So you can also define the audience further. You can target people who are interested in advertising campaign, who are interested in promotion, but who also use, let's say, Trello as a software management tool or like project management tool. I mean, those are the ways, and it's extremely simple to scale Facebook ads. There is not much that goes into it. You just need to be very confident with the budget. I cannot make a longer video than that because those are the fundamentals. If you master the fundamentals, 80% of your results will come from the fundamentals. My name is Niko. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And of course, I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.